Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is the fabric I'll be using for this tutorial. As you can see, I already folded this into four. So this is two, and I already joined it to the plain one, as you can see. So I'm just going to be turning this again on this folded area to the other side. But before doing that, after folding it into four, you um outline it by using your measuring tape um to measure it, so you know the amount and volume you are in need of. So this is just going to be into 8, so I'm folding it into 8 now, as you can see. So just make sure your fabric is being laid properly before doing this. So what I did is I folded the Ankara print into 2 before doing all of this 8 piece. So I hope you understand what I just said. After doing that, from this area here, from this point, which is the folded area, I'll take from there, from the short length downwards, which is from the waistline of the blouse downwards. The waistline I'm working with is 17 inches, while the total of the blouse length is 27 inches. And so I will add extra 1 inches for sewing allowance. So after doing this, this is the total of the blouse length I'm going for. So I'll turn my tape, measuring tape like this, and then I'll outline it, which is 4 inches I got from there, and then I will bring my measuring tape to this edge again and measure the 4 inches. So the next thing I'll do now is checking if this will suit me after cutting it out. So what I'm having here now is 12 inches. So this is 12 inches together with 17 inches. That will give me 28 inches thereabouts. After joining it together, so now I will start outlining this from the top, whatever it gives me, which is 16 inches. Remember, the 4 inches plus 12 inches will give us 16 inches. So I'll go round it. Just make sure when you're going round, you don't make any mistake by allowing the length to be short or longer than it's the way it is, so you get a round and a beautiful peplum at the end of the day. So just make sure you take your time while you're doing this. It's so simple and easy, and as you can see how I am doing it, so just make sure you take your time and make sure it looks exactly the way I'm doing it. So now the next thing I will do is taking the 4 inches round again. You can see the 4 inches. Just make sure the 4 inches as well is also round and meeting the way it's supposed to meet. So this is it. This is 12 inches from this 4 inches, so it is 4 inches. So the next thing I'll be doing now is I'll cut it out now using my scissors. I hope you understand it. So if you don't understand, you can watch it all over again. This is 8 piece, as you can see, and is for the peplum. This is it. You can see how round it is after cutting it. So here is the waist line. You can see I will be outlining everything. Now this is like 13 inches times 4 I am having here. You can see how much that is. So depends on how wide you want it to be. Anyways, you can go down by 5. I went down by 4. You can go down by 5 or 6, thereabout. So depending on how much you want the volume will be out. So you can see how flowery this is looking. So that's just it. You can see how beautiful it is looking even without have added any crinoline or any stay on it. Is already bouncing. So you can see the large amount I got from it. So I'll be joining it side by side because of the blouse I am making it with. So thank you guys for watching. Kindly please like, comment below where you're watching this video from, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on to get notification when I upload a new video. So you can cut your lining, join it, and you're good to go.